gave my all, built you a castle, watched it fall. Now the wind whispers, carries your name, but you're not the same, you're not the same. Don't pass by my door with hurt. Don't let your shadow linger. I'll burn the air, I'll freeze the ground. Just keep her far. Don't bring her around. The stars have dimmed, they've turned their eyes. Even the moon won't hear your lies. I made you my world, I gave you my heart, but now I wish I could tear it apart. Stay away, stay away. Your footsteps can't stay. Don't pass by my door with hurt. Don't let your shadow linger. I'll burn the air, I'll freeze the ground. Just keep her far. Don't bring her around. My tears could flood the ocean's wide. My anger's a storm I cannot hide. But if you pass, if you dare,